Let's explore!
Do you want to play soccer in the park?
Yeah, can Juan and Chloe come too?
Sure, let's ask them.
Let's investigate!
How do people learn and work together? Soccer is a team sport. When I kick the ball to my teammates and they kick it back, we play together and have fun.
We even score a goal.
Puzzles are fun.
They are even more fun when we share.
I like putting puzzles together with my friend.
I fill my dog's bowls with food and water. If I do this, then my parents have less to do. I like helping my parents and our dog Max.
Sharing crayons means we all get to pick more colors.
We can all make pretty pictures.
Our class is singing a song about autumn leaves.
We all learn the words and sing together. We follow our teacher.
Let's report! Now it's your turn to investigate and report on how do people learn and work together.